I got water there, and the line is like so. Right up to the drain and below, it's kind of wet. I got a nice heavy layer of flex paste on here. If I rub my hands like so, it's wet. I don't know if you can see the wetness, and the water's just seeping through flex paste. So now what do I do? If I take the hammer and I hammer, I can get the flex paste off. Oh, flex paste off the wall, it's not that hard. It's just going to take some time that I could peel this garbage off. You see me chopping away with a spackle, a scraper, and I got this all off. Not that hard to take off flex paste. If it's that simple to take off, that means it's not doing a good job indeed. I got a light. I'm going to bring it down so you can see what I'm having difficulty with right now. Maybe you can see the hole, because I can't see the hole that's in there. Is there a hole there? Let me see if I can get the best camera angle possible. Now I'm going to rotate the camera, and you can see that hole. How deep is that hole? Hydraulic cement is what I'm going to be using. And hydraulic cement is going to go all here, down here, down here, and over here. I cemented nice and thick build up. You're going to not leak. This is hydraulic cement. It's an epoxy that will expand just a little bit. You could use it when it's raining. It'll dry super fast and do a extra hold. The white on the wall is masonry 10 PSI, do apologize, pressure. So that will make pores really stick together. You know what I mean. You take the white paint, you're done. I hope I got my leak. There's nothing more I can do on the inside. It's going to rain all day. My floor is already wet. Have a great day. Keep you updated. Flex Paste met its match. You're not the best in the world, Flex Paste. You gotta have a picture perfect moment, and this is not. This is what you call real life. But at least that did its job. And I'm happy. I'm happy indeed. Have a great day, everybody.